Alright, I just got finished fixing the hatch shocks on over there. And while I'm in that engine bay, this is what my engine bay looks like. I have a Westerbeek generator in the middle, and I've got two Mercruisers. What I'm going to do now, when I was changing the engine oil and firing these motors up for the first time, I tripped a 50 amp manual reset circuit breaker on one of the engines, and where this hatch had been dripping, I assume the internal parts of this were corroded and it wouldn't reset. I tripped it because I had a weak battery. So that's the weak battery sitting there. I've got a new battery in, and I'm going to replace this circuit breaker now. So this should be a very simple job. I'll just show you how it's done. I've already removed the old one. I did it the other day when I was having issues. So these are the two leads that go to it, and it screws through this hole right here. So I'll set the camera right over here, and I'll show you how it's done. It should line up. It's going to go through the hole like that. If it trips, you just push the reset button like that. It did not come with any hardware, so I'm going to have to see if I kept the hardware from when I took the old one out. Alright, just so happens I had a couple of bolts that'll work. So let me find out what size they are here. 5/16. They're barely long enough. But it got tight, so. Push it on. I forgot I connected my battery, not remembering. I connected a new battery, not remembering that I had pulled these apart. So these are live wires right now. So I don't want to touch them to the engine case, or they'll have some sparks. I'm going to disconnect my battery before I go any further. Got the new switches installed. The rubber caps are protecting the wires from touching anything and shorting out. And there it is. All set and ready to start the engine now.